Alright, today we're going to bring a golf reader, and this one's to aid you on some of the toughest hills. It has an air bubble in the middle. We brought it to our golf range, but we're going to need it at the golf course, of course. So you guys can see the air bubble in the middle. Very legible. I've seen this in other colors, but not in red. So you could use it as a fidget too. It's very heavy duty metal. So not magnetic, but it's metal. That if you have a magnet, you could put it against your magnet too. So let's test it out. Okay, we're gonna try to make it there, but first let's see what we're against. All right, so the bubble's a little bit to the left. Keep going. We're gonna keep going to the center. Keep dropping it. It's more to the left. And I want to put it there. It's all to the left. All right, so it tells me a little to the left. We're going to try downhill from here. Let's see where it's going to. It's more to the right. You guys can see. Let me zoom in somewhere. More to the right. Put it right here so you guys can see a little bit better.